Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So first we got the two ways. I'll show you now the first one. Just go to the settings and here tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see the ringtone section. Just to disable the ringtone, swipe with your finger here to the left side, and as can you see, we just turn off your ringtone volume. And also the second way, just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just tap here, press to your down volume button or to the up volume button, that doesn't matter, and here you got the three dots. You just can swipe with your finger here to the down and you will just turn off your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.